On Sundays, we take an hour and we get organized around here. We will not fail. We will be organized. We will succeed. Working mom, baseball mom. We can rest in a few years. Let's get organized. Grab your work bag, diaper bag, purse, grocery bag, duffel bag, overnight bag, whatever bag it is, get it. We're getting organized. In this place, there's no judgment. This is scary inside here. I might have to throw the bag away. We're taking everything out, then we're gonna pack what we need for the week. We've got some ring cleaner, stopped at the jeweler to get some of this. A brush, a makeup bag that's not zipped. Everything fell out of the makeup bag. Hello? Yeah, we're organizing. I'll call you later. Can't forget about the hair. Eat this for breakfast tomorrow. All right, let's talk receipts. Someone asked, would you like a receipt? Yes, you want a receipt, and you're gonna look at your receipt. That's a whole nother conversation. Ask for a receipt. Pack of gum, no gum. Lotion, no lid. Wallet. She's good to have around. Ain't got no money in it though. Couple clips. A pack of Spark. A pack of taco seasoning. I was gonna give this to a friend. I wanted her to try it. I wasn't able to see the friend. I'm a gifter. I like to gift things, okay? We've got Groons gummies. Listen, if you're going to eat Groons gummies, get the sugar-free, trust me. I haven't taken mine in 2 days. We've got the lid for the lotion. Vaseline. I move fast during the week, you guys. Running in the house, getting ready to go to a baseball game. My lips were chapped. Who cares? You know, it doesn't matter. I have a thing of Vaseline in my purse. We're going to throw this snack away, okay? It's now flat like paper. We're going to throw it away. Energy flavoring for your water. Kleenex. I always have a runny nose and I'm always crying. It's senior year for my daughter. All I do is cry. Essential oils, a chapstick. We've got pens that are all open. Close those pens up so it doesn't ruin your bag. And we've got some crumbs down here. I'm gonna go give this a shake outside. I don't know about you, but if I start the week, glasses with the makeup doesn't need to be there. If I start the week with a messy bag, it's not a good start for me. No, it's not. I gotta be organized. We need a good start of the week. You have to set yourself up for success. We wanna feel like we're winning. We're winners. All the makeup went in the makeup bag. Sunglasses, I'm putting them both back in my bag because one needs to stay in my car. I say the same thing every week, but never do it. I've pulled all the receipts out from my wallet and my purse. I'm gonna go through these later. And then the wallet, we're gonna keep that in the purse. Okay, I'm just gonna put that back in there. We're gonna hold off on the taco seasoning. We're gonna keep that in the kitchen. We'll figure that out later. I'm throwing my Spark and my water flavor back in my bag because I'm always on the go. I get sick of drinking just water. One hair clip, that's all we need. One pen. We're keeping the tissues. I grabbed a new snack to throw in the bag. I'm on the go constantly and I get hangry. So keeping a pair of blue light glasses in the bag. I want a brush because it gets windy. I'm a baseball mom. Here you can see everything that is not going back in the bag. We've got my purse/bag ready for the week. Hopefully this motivated you. Did you get something done? You organized? No? You're gonna do it later? Make sure you get it done. You'll feel better about yourself. You'll know where everything's at. Your hands won't get sticky when you reach down in the bag. My hands get sticky. Crumbs get in my nails sometimes. Anyways, all right. We're going to have a great week. Meal prepping later. Charge your phone. I'll call you later.